Every time you run a program, open the internet, launch a game, type a document, everything happening on your screen is processed and temporarily stored in RAM. RAM is like your brain's active thoughts, fast, temporary, and always working in real time. Now, when you hit save, or when a program stores files in the background, that information leaves the RAM and gets written into your drive, your SSD or HDD. That's your brain's long-term memory. Here's an easy way to understand it. Ever notice how you remember that you forgot something, but you don't remember the actual thing you forgot? That's because two processes happened. First, your brain saved the info that you forgot something. That part is accessible. But the second process, the actual memory itself, is temporarily corrupted or inaccessible in your brain's storage. This is exactly how your RAM, your drive, and your processor work together. Now here's a quick performance tip. If your computer suddenly becomes slow or suspicious, always check your task manager. Look at your memory usage. If it spikes, check which process is causing it. Then check disk percent. When you're not downloading or transferring anything, this should stay close to 0. If it isn't, you might have a background app misbehaving or something else running that shouldn't be.